Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob Icino from Path Trading Partners along with Mike Arnold. And it is July 27th, and this is a Path Chat educational series on cryptocurrencies, and this is a Bitcoin update. Again, these are educational. This is a fairly real-time chart. Mike's going to show you what he was looking at, what happened, and what he's looking at next, so that you guys could potentially pick up some clues on some of the price action that we do in these markets and traditional markets. There's a new series of instructional videos within the Path educational series that we put out, trend lines 1, 2, and 3. I highly recommend you watch those in conjunction with the exponential moving average and the simple moving average videos that we did, and you put those all together. It's only 5 videos total. The longest one I think is maybe 12, 15 minutes at the most. You'll understand a lot more of how we look at the markets, how we analyze them, and a lot more of what Mike is saying in these videos. Having said that, Mike, it's all yours.
Very much, Bob. So Bitcoin update. You can see it's caught in the rotation zone. Last video we talked about, it was all the way outside this rotation zone, and we did talk about, don't be surprised if it pops back in. It popped back in. Even yesterday, outside, popped back in. So these are not brick walls. This is an area, and a lot of times when it pops out of here, you'll get buyers stepping in. We just won't step in unless we get a high probability reversal signal, but then we might take a trade. Now you see how we're very narrow range day today. All right, but this is holding, so we are going to switch to the 4-hour chart and watch for a potential long trade. So here's our 4-hour chart. We're trading against the rotation zone, but it's flattening out. We don't have a trend line redraw according to our rules yet, but we did get a close above it into a clear path, which would trigger a long trade, but we want it to be outside this rotation zone. So we're going to want to get some close up around this about 25.8, we'll just call 25.84 to 85, somewhere above that, a closing price on a 4-hour bar above that. Then our first target area is going to be this 26.16, and then it declines. This is red triangle here because we have a longer term trend line coming in which has held resistance. If we do get through there, I'd also, before I go to the next target, this is also a major breakdown zone from the horizontal channel we talked about. So that's going to be some pretty strong resistance in this red triangle. If we do get through there, then we're watching for 26.95 as the next major target. If we get above 26.95, we'll be watching for a return to about the middle of the horizontal channel, up around the 27.77, and the return to the end of the clear path. So those are the potential trades, a potential long setup for Bitcoin. That's all we have for you with this Path educational update on cryptocurrencies. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thank you, Michael. And again, check out those 5 educational analysis videos, and then keep up with these Path Chat educational videos on cryptos. We do Bitcoin, we do Ethereum, we do Litecoin, and we even did a video on Ripple. If you haven't seen Ripple, there's one of those as well. So cheers, hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing, tell your friends, and thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.